birds. We see them all over the world. Birds are some of the most incredible creatures on earth. Every spring, birds spend a huge amount of energy to take care of their eggs and chicks. Unlike their relatives white storks, black storks are known for their shy and solitary behavior, avoiding contact from humans. Male and female black storks build a stick nest high in trees near good water sources. These birds usually perform special dances to impress each other as part of mating ritual. After that, they are ready to bring to this world a new generation of birds. Both the adult storks share equal responsibilities to take care of their chicks and feeding them. Black stork's diet consists mainly of fish, snails, insects, and amphibians. Three months after birth, young birds are ready to fly out of the nest. Golden oriole birds make their nest high in the first canopy. Chicks are fed by the male and female, and fledging has normally occurred by 3 weeks. Golden oriole feeds herself and her chicks with insects and caterpillars. The hoopoe is a colorful bird known for its crown of feathers. The hoopoe is mainly a ground feeder looking for insects, spiders, and worms. The chicks are fed mainly by the hoopoe male and then later by both parents. Sometimes, sparrowhawk chicks are fighting for food inside the nest. Dippers nest in inaccessible, nearly vertical surfaces, often over rushing water. Green woodpeckers are mostly solitary birds and are antisocial outside of the breeding season. Green woodpeckers nest in cavities in trees which they excavate themselves. Woodpecker chicks are fed on regurgitated food. Buzzard, young bird, shows impatience to fly but does not yet have the courage to do so. Gannets are social seabirds and live in colonies on islands and coasts of the Atlantic Ocean. Because space in the colony is limited, disputes with neighbors are inevitable. Shaking their heads is part of courtship ritual. Despite their large size, gray herons are elegant and graceful. Gray herons are social birds. These birds nest in colonies in high trees, which are used repeatedly along years. Nests are usually constructed by the female with materials provided by male. The young herons are fledged for up to 60 days. In search of food, herons are standing extremely still on the shore of lakes and ponds, contemplating their next meal. The white stork is well known for creating its large nests on top of buildings and other structures. White storks clap their beaks for courtship. The swan is known for its beauty, grace, and elegance. When the baby swan are born, they can swim immediately. Baby swans will stay with their parents until they are 3 or 4 years old.